Let's look at this problem now. We have this figure over here. It's got a bunch of different things. I see points, I see line segments, I see rays, and I see a long line in the middle. But I'm going to read the problem and then see what this chart down here is all about. Examine the drawing below. Decide if each angle is acute, obtuse, or right. Choose acute angle, obtuse angle, or right angle for each. So I have to look at these angles here and determine if they're acute, obtuse, or right. I'm going to look at UVW. Remember, all angles have 3 points they have to connect to. So U is where I would start. I would find U over here, and I see it's here. UVW. So I have to follow along. UVW. So I bolded it, and there's where we're starting. Is it acute, obtuse, or right? Well, I taught students a cool trick where you could take a piece of scratch paper and rip a corner off the bottom. So here is my corner, and this is a perfect right angle. So if I look here, I can make a perfect right angle with this scratch piece of paper. Oops, there's 2 pieces. So I'm going to turn this around and say, okay, this is my 90-degree angle, but this should line up here to be right. And I see, based off my faint line I drew here, that this line goes in front of it or before it, making it an acute angle. So UVW is going to be acute. And there's the angle right here. I look at my next one, YXZ. So Y is my starting point. I find Y, and I have YXZ. I follow along there. And I'm looking, and that looks like a pretty good right angle to me. I'm very familiar with those, but I could test it out to see. And what we're looking for here is these 2 lines to perfectly line up on my paper. And look at that. It fits perfectly into that corner, this vertex, X. So I'm going to go ahead and label that as a right angle, and that would be answer choice F. Now our next one is XVW. I'm starting at X this time, so I have X here, and I'm going to V to W up here. So I see XVW. Well, when I do my scratch paper, I see that this is supposed to line up here if I have a right angle, but this W over here, the point is all the way past my line. So this looks like an obtuse angle to me, meaning it's more than 90 degrees, and I'm going to choose letter choice H. All right, 2 more. WVY. WVY, well, this kind of looks like WVX, what we just did. We're tracing the same pattern but going all the way to Y. So if this angle, XVW, was already obtuse, this is going to be the same process. We're just going out a little further with our line. So this will also be obtuse. And we'll go ahead and represent the angle symbol for this. Last one, VXZ. I start at V, I draw to X, and down to Z. This is looking pretty good to be a right angle as well, because this line, YXU, with XZ, or even YXV, they meet at this vertex, which is perpendicular, and we know that perpendicular lines meet at 90 degrees, so this is also going to be a right angle. So our answer choice is going to be O.